In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your channel membership on YouTube using your iPhone and iPad. Okay, first you need to open App Store and install this YouTube Studio app. And if you already installed, just update that app. Then open the app and make sure you log into that YouTube channel. Now on the right bottom, you can see this option Earn. Just click that. Now scroll down a little bit. Yeah, now you can see this option Memberships. Open that. Now just tap Continue. Yeah, here you have 3 options: 1 level, 3 levels and 4 levels. You can choose any of these things. For now, I leave it for default 3 levels. Then tap Customize. And here you can customize the price amount and the level name. For that, just click this pencil icon and here enter the level name. I just type DD Silver, just like that. And here you can set the price amount. I just select the minimum amount, and here you can choose the loyalty badges, just like that. Then click back and set the level 2 name. Just type DD Gold. Price amount a little bit higher. If you want to remove any of these perks, just click that perk and tap delete. Then back and select this, just like that. Back. Yeah, now we set up the level name and price. Now just tap Submit for review. Now tick this check box and tap Submit. Yeah, now we successfully applied for the membership. Then YouTube will review this and we will get an update within 24 hours. So here you can see membership level in review. We can change this option on any time. You don't need to worry about that. Yeah, now I received this email. It's happened within 10 minutes. Let's minimize this and open the YouTube Studio app and open membership. Yeah, now we can see the membership level were approved. Now just tap Launch Memberships and tap Continue. That's it. Now our membership option was live on our YouTube channel. For me, it takes 1 day to show the blue join button on my YouTube channel. I think within 1 day we will see the blue join button on our YouTube channel. Yeah, this is how you can turn your YouTube channel membership by using your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.